Good morning, children. Hope all of you are well. Fine. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
How are
Uh,
you, ma'am?
I'm also keeping well, better. Thank you. Now, today, before we start the class, let's warm up, okay? And let's listen to a beautiful song, okay? Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. When I say the time, you stop. If you're at the time, you say hip hop, hip hop. Then the time on the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Now the time is 8 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 8 o'clock.
Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Now the time is 5 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 5 o'clock.
Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Now the time is 2 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 2 o'clock.
Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Now the time is 11 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 11 o'clock.
Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Now the time is 7 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 7 o'clock.
Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Now the time is 4 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 4 o'clock.
Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock. Hip hop around the clock.
So, did you like the song? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, it was wonderful, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you just guess what's the topic we are going to take up today by listening to the... Yes, absolutely right. You are absolutely right. So, I'm going to share one PPT with you so that I can explain you, right? So, this is a clock. So today we are going to take up the topic half past, as we have already done o'clock, yeah, in our previous class. So just to brush up again, we already know that there are how many hands? 2 hands. Yes,
hands.
absolutely right.
Two
One is
hands.
hour hand, other one is minute hand. Yes, minute hand. So our hand is bit smaller in size than the minute hand. Okay. And there are 12 equal distribution, 12 numbers from 1 to 12 on the face of the clock. Okay. Now, what's half past? That you have to understand. When the long hand, that means the minute hand, is pointed towards straight down the number 6, that it is half. Okay, it's half of the clock. There are 12 numbers, 6 is half. So that's half the way. And we look for the shorthand now to see which number it is. So here we can see on the slide that the hour hand is in between 8 and 9. It has crossed 8 half the way and it's reaching 9. So what it will be? We'll say that it is 8:30.
Half
Or
past 8.
yes,
8 or 8:30.
Wow, that's very good. So telling the time when the big hand moves from 12 to 6, it is half past the hour. And this is because the big hand has moved half the way, which I just told you. The similar, it's you can see on the picture also. Now, tell time after the hours. Like the time is 5:30. So we can say in a language, it's 5:30.
Past 5.
Yes.
5:30.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, next, half past. Again, the topic is half past. You can see the clock over there. The hour hand is in between 1 and 2, and the minute hand is at 6. So it is 1:30 or half past
1:30
1.
or 1:30.
Yes,
Half past 1.
nice, very good. Now, you have to tell me the time. Okay, I'll give you chance one by one. Okay, I'll just call out the name. Now, Parth Vashisht, you can please tell me what's the time over there in the clock?
Half past 2 or 2:30.
Wow, very good. So I am just showing it to you on the screen. It's 2:30 or 2:30, as the hour hand is in between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 6. That means it's 2:30 or 2:30. Now next, I would like to ask Vanya Chadda. Can you please tell me, beta, what's the time? Take your own time and tell me.
3:30 or 3:30.
Wow, wonderful. Nice. Yes, you are right. It's 3:30 or 3:30. Okay. Now, next. This is now Bhavika's turn. Bhavika, come on. You tell me the time.
9:30 or 9.
Yeah, 9:30 is
Half
absolutely right.
past 9. Half
Very
past.
good. Wonderful, wonderful. It's yes, 9:30 or 9:30. You are absolutely right. Yes. So I think this concept is very much clear. Now this is my turn. I will tell you it's 10:30 or 10:30. Why? Because the hour hand is in between 10 and 11. Okay. And the minute hand is at 6. So it's 10:30 or 10:30. Now it's a time. The time is mentioned there. It's 11:30 or 11:30. Now I would like to give a chance to any one of you to tell me where will be the minute hand, not the hour, minute hand. You can just raise your hands. Who can tell me the answer? Okay, first I'll give the chance to Bhavika. Tell me the minute hand, where it will be.
It will be at 6.
Very good, nice. And can you tell me about the hour hand, where it will be? It's 11:30.
Between 11 and 12.
Wow, she's absolutely right. Yeah, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is in between 11 and 12. Right. Let's see the next one. Now is it time for Vanya to answer? Vanya, the time is written 6:30. Tell me the minute hand first.
Minute hand will be on 6.
Mhm.
And the hour hand will be between
Yes.
uh,
It's 6:30.
6 and 7.
Wow. Wonderful, wonderful. Nice. Yes. 6. And the hour hand is between 6 and 7. Okay. Coming up to the next one. This is now Parth Vashish's turn. Yes, Parth. You tell me where will be the minute hand?
Minute hand is on 6.
Very good.
And the hour hand is in between 9 and 8.
Yeah, it should be 8 and 9. Okay, you are right. But you should say it should be in between 8 and 9. Absolutely right. Very good. Now, it's an activity time. Okay, I'm going to just explain you. You can make it later on also. Done? Just observe how I am going to present it in front of you. So first, what you have to do is you have to take two circle cutouts, two cutout of circle. You can see there are two different color. One is of green, one is pink, right? So you have to take two circle cutout of same diameter. Diameter means the size I'm talking about, end to end. Absolutely fine. Yes. Yes, Vanya, do you want to ask me something?
Ma'am, I was asking that what is that this stick that the person is holding?
That's compass to make a circle on it. You can use. It's not necessary that you have to use a compass. You can use any round shape thing. You can even keep a plate on a paper and draw the circle and you can cut out. Okay, the circle part, right? Done. Now here what we are going to do. We have taken two circle cutout. The next step is, yeah. So what you have to do in the center part between the two circle cutout, you have to paste it, not the whole circle, just the center part. You have to stick the two cutouts from the center part. And then you have to make equal 12 cutouts from the edge line. You can see I've written on the top, glue the cutout together on the top of each other at the center. And the second step is make 12 equal cuts to separate out the numbers. Now I'm going to show the numbers, right? This way you have to write all the 12 numbers from starting from 1 to 12. Okay. Next step. So flip each of the number because we have already cut from the edge. So you can flip out all the numbers. So if you flip the first number, number 1, so you are supposed to write the multiple of 5, means the table of 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. We have written 5. If we flip number 2, 2 times 5 makes 10. So underneath, if we flip the number 2, we have to write 2. Okay. And then have to write 3 times 5. That is, we have to write 15 over there. Okay. So similar way. Now, next step. Now you have to make two hands. As you know, there are two hands in a clock. So one we have written it's hour hand. The other one is minute hand. So this is the activity and your clock is ready. Okay, done? Fine. Now, after this, I think the concept of clock and half past o'clock is very much clear. Can we play a game? Okay,
Yes,
wow, wonderful. Now, can we play a game related to this particular? Huh? Okay,
Yes,
you are ready? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
With this game, okay. This is the clock, okay. The game has started. So there will be scheduled time given, okay. In that particular time, you have to give it answer. Come on, a clock has 5 hands. Is it true or false? Come on. Very good. I have clicked and we are correct. Can you see the score over there? Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we all are correct. Okay. So we are going to the next question. Again, true, false. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Is it true or false?
True.
Very good. Yeah. We have again scored the number right. Can you see we are right? So going to the next So you can see we have increased the score. Okay. Going to the next one. Again, true, false. Minute hand is shorter than the hour hand.
False.
False, false.
False.
Okay, I'm going to click it. Oh, again, we got it. We are right. So going up to the next. Look at the score. Again, true and false. 1 day is equal to 22 hours.
False.
False, false, false. We are right. So can you tell me the correct answer? 1 day is equal to how many hours?
1 day is equal to 24 hours.
Yes, wonderful. So going up to the next question. Again, true and false. 1/2 is equal to 1:30. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, yes, true. I'm clicking. Yeah, we are right again. Wow. Look at the scores, beta. Now, next. Again, true and false. There are two types of clocks, analog and other one digital. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Thumbs up. Next. This is quiz. How many minutes are in 1 hour? How many minutes? 4 options are given.
60 minutes. 60 minutes.
60. Very
60
good.
minutes.
We are right. So good. Good going. Let's see the next one. This is again quiz. I am eating my lunch. Is it? So there are 4 options. Lunch.
Afternoon.
Oh, wow. Again, we are right. Okay. Do you enjoy this game? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, nice. Very good. So now the concept is very much clear in your mind? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So what you will do, you can just look at your clock at your home and you can very frequently tell the whatever the time is to your parents. So that's a practice. Okay? Okay, beta?
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
have a nice
Okay,
time.
ma'am.
Enjoy? Me too. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.